Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a cover for your videos in CapCut PC. So select any video that you would like to use. I'm just going to use this one for an example. Then to add in a cover, click to edit cover here. It might take a few seconds to load, so just be patient. I honestly don't know. Okay. Come on. Come on, load. Okay, so you can choose from designs that they have already, and you can select it and it's going to be added. You can even change the words that they have here. You can upload a photo. You can use these colors instead. You can add in text, you can add in shape, you can add stickers. Maybe I'm going to add a summer kind of vibe sticker to it. Okay. Maybe a sun like this one. You can change the color of some stickers. Sometimes you can't change the color of stickers, so keep that in mind. You can add in some frames. You can make it a collage. Once you're done, just press save, and when you export it, it's just going to be exported with your video. You can choose to either have it in the video or not. Okay, but I can't export it right now, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.